Hi guys, long time no see. I've been busy with the new business that I'm preparing for. I'll let you know what's that about later on. Today we're gonna make a sweet Laver Roll, which is called 감태김밥 in Korean. Kamte is kind of a dried seaweed, but it is a little different from what we used in regular kimbap. It is thinner and more transparent, mainly grown in South Sea and sea nearby Jeju Island. Interestingly enough, flour tannin inside kamte helps to sleep tight. I know a lot of people have trouble sleeping because of the hot weather. Hope this food may help you a lot. So if you're ready, let's get started. Actually, this is my sister's favorite food. When we have plenty of kamte in our house, she always asks me to make a 감태김밥. So I became an expert in making this kimbap. If you repeat something over and over, then you must be good at it. You don't need that much ingredients to make this food. You need cucumber, paprikas, salmon, steamed rice, pickled radish, and cream cheese. It is quite different from what we put inside a kimbap. We don't need egg or ham. This sweet Laver roll is more like a California roll, but it is a little different. The kamte does taste a little salty and sweet. When you make a kimbap, you should remember that you always have to make a white steamed rice, because white rice makes much easier to stick with each other. It doesn't really matter whether you place cucumber first and salmon first. It is totally up to you. Even if you put each ingredient in a random order, it'll appear pretty much same in the end. However, you should care about the amount of ingredients for each kimbap. If you put too much, 감태김밥 will not be enclosed in the end, which is going to be a big trouble. Before we wrap this up, let me tell you something. If you're new here, please subscribe my channel and get more recipe ideas. You'll learn a lot about Korean culture and Korean food. Kamte is very fragile, so you should be really careful when you roll this kimbap. And gently press it, and don't forget to wrap them in a plastic wrap. It'll definitely help them to keep in shape. It'll taste better if you keep them in the fridge for 10 to 20 minutes. Because the cream cheese inside will get mushy in hot weather. And then slice them with a plastic wrap on it. I think this is the hardest part of making 감태김밥. Don't put too much pressure on it and slice them with a big chunk. You need to be really patient. When you're done cutting them, remove the plastic wrap and place them on a dish. Oh, this is so huge! So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye!